Yo, what's up, traders? I hope you all having a great time. What's up, team? I hope you all are healthy and in good conditions. And yeah, let's talk about a few markets we want to trade the upcoming week. Okay, let's start with Dow Jones, US30. What we got over here? Okay, let's see. We are in a bullish market condition at the moment. Market is clearly moving to the upside after that big recession, the coronavirus shit. It's coming back. Investors stepping into the game. They buying this shit. But let's zoom in. Let's zoom in for our chart. Let's see what we got over here. Okay, we have this huge drop. Then this break of structure over here. Now it's forming its. Okay, we smash in the lower trend channel, coming back to the upper trend channel. Now it's consolidating a little bit, moving like a little bit like a lower time frame trend channel. So we should be aware of, because I have sell orders running right now. I have to check if buyers stepping in. If yes, I need to get out. But if it keeps slashing to the lower trend channel, I have to check it out and see what's going on over here. If it wants to keep dropping to the next levels, yeah, let's see if we can hold it until here. This would be the bigger target. I wanna hold it until here to make big amounts of money. But yeah, we have to check the smaller time frame as well, the 5-minute chart, and see what's going on over there. What kind of structure do we have on these smaller time frames? Because if I see the bulls stepping into the game, I want to get out, wait for another good entry, or yeah, wait for another scaling in opportunity on a retest, for example. If the price on a smaller time frame, if the price comes back to a level, I can stack my position up, or yeah, whatever. Yeah, I expect downward movement. I'm short on that one, and I've set some alerts. I have some alert, or one alert over here, because if the market comes back to my entry price, I want to get out, um, or I want to see what's going on. If maybe I can hedge the position and move this thing to the upside, make some money. Okay, if it's slashing through that level, boom, keep buying it. If it retests that level, boom, keep buying it and reach for higher highs. We don't know, but if it drops, I want to bank some money, wait for another retest of a significant level, boom, get in again. If it drops, yeah, bank the money. If it keeps dropping, search for some other obstacles on the way and just keep riding these waves, see what's going on, where is price bouncing around at, which kind of areas, and then see what does price really do around in these areas, and then yeah, bank profits, wait for another good entries, and just understand how this structure works. Understand in what kind of environment you are on the bigger time frame. Like, it is bearish at the moment. Okay, it was bouncing at the higher trend channel, and it's bearish at the moment. Okay, so yeah, we can write this thing down, but if it moves, break the structure, like many stop orders would be here if you're in a sell position here. Many stop orders would be around here if you're a swing trader, if you wait for the swing. Um, if you're intraday trader, you search for much quicker moves. Like you would sell over here, wait for buyers stepping into the game on a small time, and boom, get out, bank the profit, see what's going on. If buyers stepping into the game, keep buy this thing to the upper trend channel or whatever. Like, you have to read what's going on in the market on every time frame, and you have to know what time frame is important for you. If you're someone who wants to get in and out really quick, if you're a day trader, like I prefer to be a day trader because everything is going faster, everything is going faster. You can make money faster, you can lose money faster. But if you know what you do and you make money most of the time, then it is a lot of fun, and it can benefit you a lot if you got the time to ride these waves on the smaller time frame. But always have the big picture in mind, okay? Always know what your environment actually is. Like we could get a potential reversal right here, so we have to be aware of to maybe get out of this position, okay? So you have to be aware of it, or yeah, move your stops with the market, trail your stops, so that you can protect your profits. And yeah, just react to the market. If you see buyers stepping in, get out, maybe buy the market, whatever. You have to make the decision, but you have to make the decision. You can trade breakouts, like you can wait for the market to come up, break this level, boom, then you buy. Okay, this is the next target, you get out. Then you wait for the retest, boom, you can wait for a retest, and if you see rejection over here, you can take the buy on the second chance. Like, you make the decision. It's your decision. There are many ways to approach to the market, but keep in mind that you only need really one way. One move is enough. You can focus on just one move and become the best in just trading one move, and that would be enough to make a great living for real. Like, you could focus on just breakout trading and be just a breakout trader. Yeah, what we got on NAS 100. NAS 100 is uptrend as well, and seems like we have a smaller uptrend channel inside of this bigger uptrend channel. So maybe this thing can start moving to the upside again. Sorry. Or it can really break through this level and fall down to the downside. So if it slashed that level, I'm looking for selling opportunities. If it comes to that level and start rejecting this level, signs of an uptrend, I want to buy it, ride this thing to the upper trend channel. If I see buyers stepping into the market over here, why not buying it? Like, we are in a smaller time frame trend channel. We can buy it. It's not a problem. But if it keeps dropping, guys, we want to be in the sell positions. And yeah, we have a lot of targets and a lot of obstacles on the way down. I've marked up some of them. So on the way down, we trade the structure. Like, we hit the target, we close our position, we wait for another clear break, get in, boom, cash out, wait for the retest, boom, get in, cash out, maybe trade a breakout. If you see it keeps dropping, boom, get in, get out, get in, get out. Like, play with the structure, learn how to read the candlesticks on the smaller time frames. This is very important on all time frames. You can play this candlestick game on all time frames, but if you want to make big money, you have to understand the correlation from the bigger time frames to the smaller time frames. The bigger time frames, they give you the direction, the idea of what is going to happen, and then when you go to the 5 minute, you have to ride the wave. Like, you have to ride these waves. Like, if you got a nice bullish structure, on the, or bearish structure or whatever, on the smaller time frame, you can really stack up your position really nicely. This thing is ugly over here. It's nothing spectacular. Nothing spectacular. Yeah, its price is kind of fucking around. So yeah, what I would do, I would just check the higher time frame, wait for break and retest of significant level, really, and keep my focus on that. Okay, keep my focus on that. And if you are around and at a significant level, then go to the smaller time frame to search for good entry opportunities. And then you have to make a decision. Are you looking for a specific candlestick formation that gives you the signal to get in or the signal to get out, like in a golfing candle or three candle play or whatever? You need to make the decision and set up a plan so that you always know what to do when the market does something, because you have to read what's happening in the market. The price shows you what is happening, and the history of the chart gives you an idea of what could happen. And you have to write down how you want to react to it. Like, I see, let's talk about the DAX, the German stock index. It is consolidating over here, so I'm waiting for price break it to break it clearly, and then I want to ride this thing to the next level and see what's happening around at that area. Do I need to get out, or is it slashing through the level and I can stake it up? The market will tell you. I don't know before. Okay, the market goes up or down, and you have to find a way. You have to find a strategy that fits your personality, that something that you like. Okay, but and at the end of the day, it is all about money management. You have to understand money management, and at the end of the course, you got a section where I talk about some indicator strategy, algorithm, stuff like that, and there you will find a position size calculator for your MetaTrader 4. You should implement this and try to use it, because it will give you the exact lot size. When you know your stop loss level, if you know where you want to get out of the market, then you can calculate your stop depending on the entry price and the distance. Percentage wise, like you tell the calculator, okay, I want to risk 1% on that setup, and then it will tell you the exact lot size on the bottom of the screen. And yeah, that's cool. That's very cool, because this way you can plan your rich. If you're using the rich split, you um, can really yeah, plan your trades. Like, split your trade in 3%, like 3 times 1%, and then try to get these entries and scale up your lot size. The closer you get to the stop, the bigger the lot size will be, but the risk will be the same, but the reward is much bigger when you hit the target. You all know that, I don't need to tell you. But anyways, yeah, let's see what the market does, guys, and react to it. Like, we can trade the breakout or the break and retest. Easy stuff. Keep it simple, okay? And see where you have significant level, which could be obstacles on the way or potential targets as well. Like, to the downside and to the upside, we have these targets. Yeah, use simple strategies and focus on excellent money management. Try to really, if the market moves against you, try to give him enough air to breathe for liquidity grab and scale in, but know where you want to get out. Okay, that's very important. But if you got a stop loss, and if it really comes close to the stop loss and you scale up big time, and then you smash the target, you're gonna make good money. Maybe you can make, with 1% risk, 8%, 12%, 20% return. It's possible. And these are the trades we are really looking for. Like, we want to make small losses, small wins, and big wins. This is the key, guys. Always keep that in mind. All right. Okay, gold was really fucking around, and I was selling it a lot of times last week, and it was not good ideas. But if you looking from the bigger time frame, from the bigger picture, without this mess over here, like, forget about it. But we had this huge drop, then this huge move, and I was expecting a comeback to maybe 50% of that move. This was my target for real. Like, I wanted to bank some profits around in that area, but it keeps doing the exact opposite, and it was just fucking around in that area, was breaking through, then downward channel, test the middle of this triangle, coming up again, downward channel. Now it's kind of moving in an upward channel, it's looking like. So yeah, I think we have two targets we should focus on the next week. It's 1750 and 1760. These are the targets, and then we have some bigger targets as well, like 1790 or let's say 1800. Let's check the weekly time frame for the bigger targets where gold was before. Like we have a target over here, we have a bigger target over here, so yeah, we have some upward potential, and I think we're on a good way, because when the economy is falling down, most of the time gold, many people invest their money in gold because it is very stable, and if there's blood in the streets, gold most of the time will gain in value and currencies they lose value. So yeah, gold is always good to buy. Last 2 weeks, I don't know, my ideas were short, but I was completely got fucked. So right now I'm in a buy position. I wanted to see clear break, boom, bank some profits, wait for another good entry, boom, bank some profits maybe, another good entry, breakout, boom, retest, boom, get in again. Like, ride the wave, guys. Ride the wave on a smaller time frame. Understand how the market works. It always rides waves, and you have to read the smaller time frames to get excellent. Oh wait, wow, gold was pushing strong. My position is up 500 grand. Oh yeah, market is open. Okay, what are we gonna do? It was just slashing through the 150 level up to the 1753. Damn. Where's gold? I need to. Dow Jones is falling down like crazy. I'm up 450,000 at the moment. But gold. Come on, bro. Gold was pushing up big time, but came back instantly. Can you see it on the 5-minute? Market is just open right now. We have huge spreads at the moment. We're having huge spreads ATM, but gold was at around the 1750 area, and it's on the way. Looks good, looks good. We are 500,000, nearly 500,000 in profit. And Dow Jones was gapping down, which is great. Let's see, Dow Jones was gapping down a little bit. Can you see it? It's not refreshed yet. Market just opened 2 minutes ago. I was not finished with my analysis for you guys. But anyways, I got my eye on that one. Let's see what's happened. I really want to cut this gold trade. I will hold it. I will hold it. And wait, let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. It's all good. We're 400 grand in profit. Lost nearly 600k last week, around 11%. So it would be great to make it back on a Monday. 150,000 left, but anyways, what we got on USDCAD, yeah, this is the area where if it's slashing through, I would buy a target. This is a target to aim. Got some obstacles on the way, guys. Let's keep it nice and easy. Or if it slashed to that level, we got some downside potential as well. Got some targets over here as well. Let's check it out for our chart. Let's see what we got. Yeah, just marked up some potential areas of resistance so that you can really set some alerts, see what's going on, and just ride the waves, guys. Ride these waves. Keep it simple and ride these waves. All right. And yeah, NCDCAD, it is on top of the overall trend channel. It's a bearish trend channel, big time frame. Okay, for our chart consolidation. If it breaks down, breaks down to the downside, which it's looking like that, it's doing it. You can sell it. We have an obstacle over here. This is a zone of demand. Maybe you can buy again over here for a double top, then maybe sell again if you see selling pressure, or if it's slashing through the level, then we have some obstacles to the way up as well. We always have some obstacles on the way to the top. It's normal. Everybody got them. So yeah, check the history price for obstacles or potential targets, and then ride these waves. Ride these waves. Ride these waves. If the market drops, we can sell it. Big targets over here. Got some obstacles, as I told you guys. Ride the structure. If you're bearish and you see bulls stepping in, bank some profit, wait for another good entry, and ride the structure. You can trade breakouts or break and retests. Focus on this. It's simple stuff. Another one, GBPJPY. It's dropping, coming down to that area. So this area, if I see clear rejection and if I see bulls stepping in, I'm willing to buy that. I would be willing to buy that. I'm not trading this session, but I would be willing to buy it and aim for the for the trend channel over here. Got some obstacles, so this would be first target somewhere around here, second target, third target somewhere around in that area. Or if it slashed this level, if it breaks the structure, we can make the same thing to the downside. First obstacles here, maybe bank some profit, get another entry when it comes back, boom, and then yeah, easy stuff, guys. Keep it simple. And GBPCAD doesn't look interesting for me. It's just slashing around in this zone. For our chart, it is actually bearish pressure all over the place. Bearish pressure at the moment. Let's see what happens if bulls stepping in. Maybe I'm willing to buy, aim for this first target, second target, third target. We will see. But if it's slashing clearly, we can aim for. We have some obstacles on the way, but yeah, we can aim for some targets over here. You can do it how you want it. But at the moment it looks bearish to me, but not interesting yet. If it's really tries to break the structure or maybe fish some stop losses, liquidity grabs as well, maybe after that to the upside, I don't know. It doesn't look really like going anywhere, so it's just fucking around in these areas. So good luck if you're trading this one. Yeah, this one is, I like this one. We have a nice trend channel and price is actually oh, I love it. Those keeps dropping, but gold is not doing what I want it to do, but we are still in profit. That's good. Maybe we should just be a little bit more patient, but yeah, anyways, GBPAUD let's see if we can get a nice push through that level. Maybe we can get some upward potential. We have some obstacles on the way, so yeah, ride this thing to the upper trend channel, ride the wave, or if it breaks through, we have some obstacles to the downside as well. Trade easy breakouts or break and retest patterns. Keep it simple. Keep your risk tight. Always know how much you're risking, you're willing to risk, willing to risk. If you're selling this one, like look for stops around in that area. Maybe give it some space for liquidity grabs to scale in some more positions, so that if for the case that it comes back to you where you want it to be, then yeah, you can make some more money. But if it clearly breaks the structure, then search for buy opportunities and ride this thing to the other side. Okay, a good trader always understands that the market is changing. Okay, if the market is changing, the market environment is changing, you have to change your plan. All right, don't just follow don't just follow your intuition, guys. Really listen to what the market has to tell you. Okay, the market tells you what it does, the structure and the candlesticks. I cannot stress it enough. You have to understand it. Okay, what we got over here, daily time frame, a nice channel at the moment, double top. We have some downward potential if it comes, if it's slashed to that level. We have an obstacle over here, obstacle over here, obstacle over here, but this could be a potential target. Write this thing down to the lower to the lower trend channel, or see what's happening over here. If you get bullish pressure, then get in on the buy side. See what's happening over here. Slash through. Okay, hold it, hold it. Boom, hold it, hold it. Cash out. See what's happening. If you get rejection, get out. Wait for another good entry. Get in again. If you see rejection, boom, and then ride this thing. Like, let the market tell you what to do. Understand what's going on, and then just react to it, guys. And always know how much you're risking. Use the rich split. If you got a good trade running, if you see it's moving in your favor, then stack up your position with the structure. Stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up when it breaks through higher highs. Stack it up when it retests a significant level. If it's a nice trend move, then stack your position up and yeah, bank big time on targets, potential targets. Yeah, that's it, guys. I will stop this video right now. I hope it was helpful, and I need to focus on gold and Dow Jones. Need to get out of gold, I think. Let's see. But anyways, have a great profitable trading week, and we talk soon, team. Peace out. I wish you a great week. Bye.